Welcome to a video of study of Colpitts oscillator by Abron. This is Abron instrument. In this, the built power supply is built in, and this has a inductance, capacitors, and then there is one or more inductance. This is a transistor, and resistances are there. Resistance and capacitors are there. The output is coming out from here. You can connect it to the CRO to check the frequency generated by this. Internally, you can see the manual is there. DC regulated 12 volt power supply is internally there, and medium frequency oscillator is also mounted inside the cabinet and connected outside. So it is connected already inside. Amplifier circuit of transistor and inductance and capacitor resistance is also internally connected. You can study the theory, and this manual is there. The working all details are there. You can see those are crystal oscillator is inside, the beat frequency, and then all these devices. Switch on the instrument, connect it, switch on the instrument, just see, and then connect it to the power supply. This is a power supply. Once again I show you, switch on the instrument. Now when you switch on this instrument by power supply, switch on, and then when you connect it, the circuit generated will be coming, frequency can be seen on the CRO. These two terminals are to be connected, rest is all internally connected. Very easy to use. Please visit the website and abronexports.com and abron01@gmail.com. Thank you very much.